said what? Yeah, but I don't care about this shit. What I got installed in my mind, I am who I am, and I'm gonna be this shit to the fullest, to the day I fucking die, you hear me? If you try and change that fat bitch, you might as well go fall out somewhere, cause I ain't changing for shit.
I've got a good foundation, cause I came up from the concrete. Not supposed to win by nature, cause I came up from the concrete. There ain't nothing holding me back. You're never gonna push me off track, cause I got a good foundation. Cause I came up from the concrete.
She liking my style, she level my flow. She jocking my hustle, selling creek, getting money every day and every week. Love is pop poison, watch what you fucking eat. Eyes and feelings, keep them separate, don't always believe what they tell you. I won't tell you a lot of things that I fucking seen. Trust is a good thing, but when it fails you, it's a hell of a feeling. You see, 99% of men would just agree. School is something like the streets, take a man out, they gave him fucking murder degree. That man in that suit, no big or better than you, they just gave him lawyer degree. He just a bit different, nigga grew up loving school. This nigga grew up playing with the motherfucking heats. Not talking Miami, but through that bitch crossed a couple keys. Now when you go to sleep, he like, fuck you and them keys. All the stress on my mind, nigga barely can breathe.
I've got a good foundation, cause I came up from the concrete. Not supposed to win by nature, cause I came up from the concrete. There ain't nothing holding me back. You're never gonna push me off track, cause I got a good foundation, cause I came up from
Eyes
the
open
concrete.
like a motherfucker from everything that I've seen. Life is sick as fuck, animals in cages, show no weakness, so every once in a while they go outrageous. Stab you and your neighbor, motherfuckers call me the fucking Terminator. This house got sprayed by my exterminators. Always forgive me God, cause that is my creator. I got this still on me and I'ma drop them like an anchor. I feel out of trust with bitches so you can love her, I'm just trying to fucking bang her. I sold drugs cause I wouldn't settle for minimum wages. Dropped out of school just to put food on that table. Growing up, mama never was fucking stable. Had that trap hitting like a secretary with a motherfucking stapler, with a shitload of paper. I like running it up, can't sit still for long, it's not part of my nature, bitch.